and welcome to my online music theory course again. Today we're going to be talking about triplets, and you'll find that on page 62 of your book. What is a triplet? Well, a triplet is a group of 3 notes, but you can find triplets in a variety of rhythms, or I should say note values. So a triplet is a group of 3 notes, and they're joined together like this, and you'll identify them as a triplet because they'll have a number 3 underneath them, or if the stems are facing the other direction, and I'll just put them down this way. If the stems are going down, the triplet sign is going to happen on the top. And again, you'll see the number 3 indicating that it's a group of 3 notes and it's a triplet. But how do we know how fast to play those, or what amount of beats to apply to those? Well, you look at what kind of note the triplet happens in. In this one, we've got 8th notes. So this particular triplet is the equivalent of playing it in the time of 2 8th notes. And an 8th and an 8th also equal 1/4. So if you saw a triplet like this in 8th notes, and let's say we were in 3/4 time, you would play this within 1 beat. Let's look at another type of triplet, because they can be in any note value. So let's change them into 16th notes, and again you'll need your triplet sign underneath or above, depending on which directions the stems are going in. Now when you have 16th note triplets, that's the same thing as 2 16th notes. And a 16th and a 16th also equal an 8th. So if you're playing 16th note triplets in 3/4 time, because we're looking for quarter notes to get the main beat, it would only be worth half a beat. We can even see a group of triplets, and they're not joined together by a bar because they could be half notes. Now if you find a triplet in half notes, and you might be catching on now, they're going to be the same as 2 half notes. So 3 triplet half notes equal the same amount of time as 2 half notes, or we could also say a whole note. I'll erase this middle one here, and we'll give you one more sample. Well, we can also see triplets in all quarter notes, and we know to play them within a certain amount of time because the 3 is there indicating this is going to be a triplet. And so this is the equivalent of 2 quarter notes. Now a quarter plus a quarter is also the same as a half note. So if you were in 3/4 time and you counted a triplet in quarter notes, it would stretch over the amount of a half note or 2 counts. So, and again, you could change these into 32nd note triplets or even 64th note triplets. There's a wide variety of choice, as long as you have that's like a slur mark with the triplet sign or the 3 in the middle of it. We know that those notes are going to be treated as a triplet, and you look at what note value they are, and you just take 2 notes to equal how many beats you want that played within. Thanks very much.